Hi guys, this is Ate Sen from Easy Excel with Sen. In this video, pag-usapan natin how to organize your data. We will do grouping and ungrouping of your data inside the worksheet, as well as ipapakita ko rin sa inyo how to collapse and expand those group data. But before we proceed to my spreadsheet, let's first understand why and when do we need these Excel functions. Every time we prepare a report, we have to consider the reader. It has to be understood by them at hindi sila naguguluhan sa mga information na pinipresent natin. So, grouping allows us to manage and organize our data. It helps us to present a summarized report and naka-hide yung mga supporting details. When or kailan naman tayo need gumamit ng grouping function? If we are maintaining a massive data at masyado ng marami yung columns and rows, we need to group other information and just show yung mga important details lang or yung mga important data lang. Take note, kukonsider lagi natin ang ating reader. Okay? So in order for me to explain better, let's proceed to my spreadsheet. This is a collection report from 2018, 2019, and 2020. So it consists of 3 years collection data and may mga modes of collection tayo dito, cash, check, and credit card. And we also have 3 branches. So branch A, B, and C. As what I've said kanina, kailangan natin i-group yung data natin kung masyado ng marami yung number of columns natin at masyado ng marami yung number of rows. As you can see, meron tayo dito from January to December and meron tayong summary sa pinakadulo. Actually, pwede naman natin i-hide itong January to December and just show yung 2018. So, ang normal na ginagawa natin is, hina-hide natin yung ating mga column. Ganyan. And then, kung kailangan natin siya, ina-unhide natin siya. But there's a better way to do this. We can do grouping. Okay? So, how to do the grouping? I-highlight natin yung mga columns na gusto nating i-group. Then, let's go to Data, to the tab Data. Then, click Group. Ayan. So, green-note na niya yung column natin. Then, if you click this minus sign here, itong line na to, ito yung nag-indicate na ito yung group ng data natin. If you click the minus sign, okay, ma-hide yung mga columns na green-note natin. And then, from P to Z or P to AA, we can group it again. Okay, so another grouping. And then, AD to AO, another grouping. So, we have 3 groups here, 2018, 2019, and 2020. Since may mga spaces dito, tanggalin na rin natin para hindi siya masakit sa mata. Ayan, so nakasummarize na siya. Same way do sa ating column or sa ating row, i-group din natin siya. So group natin, i-highlight natin yung rows 5 to 7, click group. Okay. 9 to 11, group. Okay. And then 13 to 14, group. Okay? And then, para mapakita natin yung summary o yung outline report, i-click lang natin yung number 1. Yan. So, ito na yung report na ipapakita natin sa ating reader pag nag-present tayo. So, mas clear na siya sa magbabasa ng report natin. And if they want the details of this and if they want the details of these figures, you can just open it by clicking the plus sign, okay? If you want to know the details of branch A, ito yung collection ni branch A, and ano yung mga specific months ng collection, ayan, i-open din natin yung columns natin. Every time na kiniklik natin yung plus sign, yun yung tinatawag nilang expand, okay? So, pinapakita natin, ina-open natin yung mga hidden columns or hidden rows. So, pag click mo naman yung minus sign, yun naman yung tinatawag nilang collapse. Okay? So, collapse and expand. So, yung pinakita ko sa inyo is individual grouping. If ginagawa mo to on a yearly basis, at the end of the year, kino-collapse mo yung supporting details niya. And then, so next year again, pag natapos yung year end, i-collapse mo again. What if yung data is nandyan na? Someone gave you a data and you wanted to group it in one click. So, meron bang mas madaling paraan? Yes po, meron mas madaling paraan, of course. Hindi tayo pababayaan ni Excel dyan. So, I will show you how to do it in one click. Okay? So, i-ungroup ulit natin itong ating data. Okay, ito tayo sa tab na data, and then click si ungroup. Dito sa pinaka gilid, yung arrow, just click clear data. Okay, so na-ungroup na siya, nawala na yung mga groupings natin. Okay, so dapat nyo lang tandaan na pag ginagawa natin yung one-click grouping, yung ating column dapat nakasubtotal. Otherwise, hindi mangyayari ang grouping. Okay? So, now, tanggalin ko yung ating total dito sa column part. Okay? Copy, paste, special value natin. As you can see, wala nang formula. Ang may formula na lang is si 2019, yung column sa 2019, and yung column sa 2020. Okay? So, put your cursor anywhere, inside the data, or inside the table, or outside the table. Go to the tab data again. Go to group. Then click the arrow, small arrow on the side. And click auto outline. Okay? As you can see, nag-group na siya automatically. So, pindutin natin si 1. Okay, to show you the summarized data. And pindutin natin si 2 to show you the summarized data of the rows. Okay, andito na si branch A, B, and C. And then dito si 2018, hindi siya nag-group. Kasi nga, hindi natin nilagay yung subtotal ng lahat ng months. Unlike kay 2019 at 2020, meron tayong sum. Okay, tinotal natin siya. So, let's do it again. Okay, let's go to ungroup. Then clear outline. Ngayon, lagyan natin ng summary or i-total natin itong column N. Okay, yung total ng 2018. Okay, lagyan ko lang siya ng sum formula. Okay, so meron na tayong formula. Again, we'll go to the tab data, click group, go to that small arrow, click auto outline. Okay, let's just collapse and collapse. So, ito na. So, nag-group na si 2018 kasi nga nagkaroon tayo ng total sa column na N. So, tinotal natin yung buong group. Otherwise, hindi siya mag-group. Okay? So, ngayon naman, pag-aralan natin ano ba itong mga kiniklik ko dito. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bakit dito 3? Dito 2 lang. Okay? Ito yung nagsisignify how many groupings happened in our data, in our table. So, itong 1, ito yung pinaka-outline na. Okay? Pinaka-summary ng data natin. Yung 2, ito yung subgroup. Ito ipapakita niya yung details ng lahat ng groupings natin. Okay? So, i-group ko again. Dito sa row, bakit naman 1, 2, 3? Kasi nga nagkaroon tayo ng subgrouping. Pag dito tayo sa 1, papakita niya lang yung grand total. Okay? Ito yung pinaka-outline ng report. Okay, grand total. Kasi isa lang naman yung collection report. Ngayon, nagkaroon tayo ng subtotal per branch. So, A, B, and C. So, 2 pag yung sub-branch, and pag sa 3, another sub-branch na naman. Okay, or subtotal. So, papakita naman niya yung mode of collection. So, depende kung dito sa cash, meron ka na namang another detail. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng 4. Okay, so nakadepende yan. Nakadepende yung grouping dun sa data or sa table mo. Okay? Let's just collapse it again. Click 2 and click 1. Okay? So, pagpapakita na natin, ipipresent na natin itong report na to, mas madali siyang maintindihan nung magbabasa, nung reader natin. Hindi na siya maguguluhan pag ganito yung pinakita natin. So, sasabihin niya, ano itong mga figures na to at ano itong figures na to. So, mas easier sa kanila to understand if it's summarized. Okay? So, again, salamat, and I hope natutunan nyo how to organize your data in a worksheet, and naintindihan nyo yung concept kung bakit kailangan natin gamitin yung function na group. So, salamat, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. And please don't forget to hit that bell for you to be notified once may bago ako mga video na i-upload. So, again, thank you, and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Bye!